Characters: Robin Hood, Little John, Marion, the Tyrant King, the villagers. First look, the forest of Sherwood. The view opens on the dense forest of Sherwood, where Robin Hood and his companion Little John are sitting in their tent. The king has raised taxes, and the villagers are dying of hunger. We've got to do something. Little John: Yes, Robin, we will stop this tyrannical king. We need to help the villagers. At first, tonight we'll return the king's treasure and distribute it to the villagers. Second scenario, the state of the village. The scene shifts to the village, where the villagers are suffering from the king's persecution. The children are hungry, and the women are helpless. Don't give up. Robin Hood will come to save us. A villager: But for how long? How long will we tolerate this? Very soon, Robin Hood will come for justice. We just have to be patient. Scene 3, the theft of the treasure. The scene is at night. Robin Hood and Little John enter the king's palace. They move silently towards the treasure. Robin Hood: Little John, we have to work in silence. No one knew we were here. Well, Robin, I'm ready. Robin Hood and Little John begin to retrieve the treasure, but suddenly the king's soldiers arrive. The king: What are you doing here? Catch them! Robin Hood and Little John fight the soldiers and fight them bravely.